It is now your turn to rewrite some expressions using rational exponents. Please attempt these examples on your own first, then return to the video to check your work. In part A, we have the ninth root of y to the 8th power. A ninth root means we're going to be dealing with an exponent of 1 over 9, but given that we have y to the 8th power, this will become y to the 8 over 9. It is important to remember the index becomes the denominator, and the exponent becomes the numerator. In part B, we have 1 over the 5th root of t squared. Our first step will be to convert that radical in the denominator to an exponent. The 5th root of t squared is the same thing as t to the 2/5. Again, remembering the index becomes the denominator and the exponent becomes the numerator. While this is a correct answer following the directions we were given, we could also take the time to rewrite this without a fraction. If we wanted to move t to the 2/5 out of the denominator and up to the numerator, we would need to change the sign on the fractional exponent. So we could rewrite this as t to the negative 2/5. Whether we stop on the first line with the fractional answer with the positive exponent, or the second line that does not have a fraction but has a negative exponent, will depend on the context that we're working in, and it will depend on what directions we were given. Often, we are told not to finish with negative exponents in our answer, in which case the first answer would be the more correct answer.